I'm going to try unboxing these two today. Mama's China Press. It is currently almost 9 o'clock in the morning. And it came with a little origami thing. I think it's really cute. So let's open its case first. Ooh. Oh, they're stuck together. So we got the group photo. And we got Chanyeol. I was so sure I was gonna get Chanyeol because you get Chanyeol and everything. Oh, the card's bigger than I anticipated. That's huge. It comes with this little thing. I don't want to damage it, but oh, this is hard to get out. There we go. Group photo. This one's cute. I really like that picture. This one too. I like these two. There's the first one. And now Exom. Ooh, we got the whole group picture. Dun dun dun. Chris! Yes, 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 yes. I really wanted Chris. Hello, Chris. Yes, 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 yes. I really wanted Chris. And this comes with, well, 3 little papers. Wasn't expecting that. This picture's pretty. This picture's cute. Okay, that was excellent. So there you go. These are what I got. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.